Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Mandy Tardif. I am a professional face and body painter. Today I painted myself up like a kitty corn. So this is one of the most popular designs that I am asked to paint when I am at birthday parties. What is a kitty corn? A kitty corn is a cat, see the cat ears right here, and a unicorn horn. So it's a cross between a cat and a unicorn. So if you want to see how I painted this on my face step by step, then keep watching. cat design that I've painted in the month of October. I am doing my Cattober October Creativity Challenge. So if you want to see all of the other cat designs that I have painted for this month, then those are located in my private community and Patreon, and it's actually free to view all those, although you can buy a subscription to become a paying member, and when you're a member you get lots of different perks. On my YouTube channel there are a ton of other tutorials, so make sure you go and check all those videos out. There's actually a playlist with all the tutorials. There's also a lot of creativity and art located on my website, so if you want to check out all my other paintings, murals, face painting, all kinds of other things, the link for that is in the description box below as well. And last but not least, I am also a coach. I help people smash their limiting beliefs so that they can live the life that they were meant to live. If you go to my coaching page, you can read all about where I come from and how I've been able to do what I love to do for a living in Hawaii as a single woman who's sober and living the most incredible, vibrant life of balance. That is all for this Kittycorn tutorial. Thank you so much for being here. And like I always say, go out and paint the world with your color, your light, and your love, and I will do the same. Bye.